Hello. Today I'm going to show you how you can prevent duplicate page views from firing in Google Analytics 4 if you have a separate G tag for both Google Analytics 4 and Google Ads implemented on your site. This is going to be most common with Shopify stores. So I'm going to show a specific example with Shopify stores, although the setting in Google Analytics 4 is the same no matter what you use for your site. So first, let's go over what the problem is. The problem is if you have a Shopify store and you're using, for instance, our SlideRoll Analytics Google Analytics 4 integration and the Google Sales Channel Google Ads conversion tracking, of course, you've turned off the Google Analytics integration in the Google Sales Channel because you're using SlideRoll Analytics for that. So if you've turned that off and you still see duplicate page views, the reason why this is happening is that Google will send a page view anytime there's a little bit of code that says gtag.pageview. Right? You can prevent that, and SlideRoll does by saying which destination, in this case Google Analytics 4, you want that page view to go to. SlideRoll does that. Unfortunately, the Shopify Google Sales Channel doesn't do that. So sometimes you can end up with duplicate page views if you're using SlideRoll and the Google Sales Channel Google Ads conversion tracking. That's this setting right here. Fortunately, turning it off is easy. Preventing the duplicate page views is easy. All you have to do is go to your Google Analytics account. You're going to go to Settings. You're going to click on the data streams. Like I said, this is a very buried setting. You're going to go to Configure Tag Settings here. Then you're going to click on the tag. So I'll show you that again. I clicked on this tag. Right? This is the Google Analytics measurement ID I'm using. So click on the tag like this, right? And then there's this additional setting here that says ignore duplicate instances of on-page configuration, and it says recommended. If that is off, which it is off by default for some reason, even though it's the recommended thing, you want to go ahead and turn it on and hit save. And from then forward, you should not see this duplicate page view issue. So again, that will prevent the issue if you're using SlideRoll Analytics and the Google Sales Channel, Google Ads conversion tracking integration. You may end up with duplicate page views. That's how you fix that issue. It's also relevant to anybody else who's using a different way to implement Google Ads and Google Analytics 4. Hope you find that useful. Thank you.